Welcome to my channel. In this video I will paint a small forest campsite by a fire. Fall is the perfect time to go camping. On my color palette I started by mixing Phthalocyanine Blue with black. This color mix will be used for the night sky. Next, I combined Chrome Oxide Green with black. This color mix will be used to paint grass. I also added Yellow Ochre, Yellow Medium, Titanium White and Raw Umber on my palette. I prepared a mix of Yellow Medium and Titanium White to paint the campfire. To make paint go smoother on a canvas, I added matte fluid medium to the blue mix. I also misted the canvas with water from a spray bottle to make the paint slide easier. First, we will cover the entire canvas with dark blue paint mix. After I have covered the canvas, I will let it dry and apply the second coat of the paint mix. You can speed up the drying process of the acrylic paint with a blow dryer. For the second coat, once I covered most of the canvas with dark blue mix, I will apply dark green mix to the bottom of the painting. I added titanium white to the blue mix and blended it into the middle of a canvas to lighten up the sky. Here is a neat little trick to cover the night sky with stars. I will mix a dab of titanium white with a few drops of water. Then I grab a stiff brush and dip it into the mix. You could use a new toothbrush for this. While holding the brush over the canvas and using your thumb, lightly flick the paint. Now I will pick up the dark green paint with a fan brush and paint trees into the background. Next, I will paint grass with Chrome Oxide Green and Raw Umber paint. To paint the campfire, I used a round brush and light yellow mix from my palette. I mix raw umber and yellow ochre. With this new mix, I will paint logs in the campfire. On my color palette, I mix titanium white with Phthalocyanine Blue and black. With this light blue mix, I will paint a tent. To paint the dark part of the tent, I need to add a little more black to the mix. Then I blend it into the corner of the tent. To paint this side of the tent that is facing the fire, I will add light yellow mix to the blue mix. I want to paint a glow in the middle of the tent from a fire. I picked up a little bit of white and combined it with the blue mix. Then blend the mix into the tent. I mix Yellow Ochre and Chrome Oxide Green on my palette. With this mix, I will paint trees that are lit by campfire. I added a little bit of yellow ochre on the branches and the grass that are closest to the campfire to show the glow from the fire. Using a smaller sized fan brush, I dipped it into the water. While the brush is wet, I will mix up the light yellow mix with it. The paint on a brush should be thin. With light and wavy strokes, I paint the smoke from a fire. Let me know how your painting turned out, or ask me questions in the comments below. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. It will help other people find it and join our artistic adventure. Thank you for watching.